Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today is a fun one for me. I love the ambers. So I'm going to do a top 5 of my favorite ambers that are out there. And so I'm just going to, obviously, because you'll see it in this video, some of them are my accords, and well, I like them. So I am going to start in no particular order at all. No particular order. So those of you who are new and just starting out and you're like, what should I get? What are the top ambers out there? Because there are a lot of different type of ambers, and that is an additional reason why this video to me is important. And you see the color of this, you see the color of this, and then I'm going to show you the color of this. See how dark? Exactly. So they're all really, really different, and they smell totally different. So I'm going to kind of go over that, and then I have one really cool one here as well. So this is from Mountain Aromatics. It is the Amber Accord, number 526. This amber is what people call a traditional amber. It is the deep, you will get a little bit of sweetness from it. It's going to have the labdanum in it. There's not a specific formula. There's multiple stuff out there that you can get and that people use and whatever to make up the Amber Accord. But like a little vanilla, labdanum, and this is full-bodied, clean, although I know I just say clean and people are like, what, clean? Yes and no. It's not dirty for sure, but it is definitely one of those full-bodied, almost, I hate to say the word smoky, but that's right here, but it's just sweet, full-bodied, not too sweet. To me, traditional, pretty traditional amber. Super thick. It's a base note. It's going to last you and be present in your formula for a while, and it's going to have some sillage to it. Next is Animal Amber Accord 618, and see the color? This is a warm, furry, like a kitten furry, clean. It can take you any direction, so you can go in the woods or florals or even with the citruses, beautiful with the citruses in whatever formula, and just give you a little bit of animalic. So it's not like totally dirty animal like civet and just hardcore like that, but it's an amber first and foremost, and then it gives a little bit of animalic notes. So perfect for jasmine, for tuberose, for your white petals, that kind of stuff. It would actually for ylang ylang as well, and your narcissus, that type of stuff. Beautiful with that. Just because of the animalic notes you find in the white petals, and this just helps back that up. Absolutely beautiful, warm and cozy, not hot, but just warm and cozy, like you're in a cabin by a fire and you have a little thin blanket over you. That's what that is. So the next one is Amber Oil Fossilized. This, the only place I know you can get this is Eden Botanicals. It's super expensive, and I made mine down to a 5%, and that is strong still. It is true amber from that was fossilized, and then they take that and they put it through processes that I won't go into. But even at 5%, like how dark that is, it has a clean smoke, not a campfire smoke. Now, how do I describe that when I'm saying not a campfire smoke? I don't know. It is smoky. It's the first thing I will tell you. It's resinous. It has a leather, tar-like, but not a dirty smoke. It is the cleanest smoke I've ever smelled, and it is true amber. If you want the real deal, it's super expensive, but that is where amber comes from. It's fossilized, and this is absolutely beautiful. So my next one is going to be Warm Amber Accord. This Warm Amber Accord is different from this. Remember I said this, the Animal Amber Accord is warm. This is probably a little warmer. It has more amber, so it's just actually a little bit darker than the other. It is a little bit warmer, more amber forward, but very clean, and to me, beautifully balanced and very cohesive with this accord just by itself. Super fluid. That's the word that comes to me, and I don't mean like fluid like in the material. I just mean the fluidity, the flow of this aroma is just beautiful. Warm, clean amber. You can absolutely go in any direction, but definitely minus the animalic aspects for sure. So if you want to go in other floral directions besides the white petals, this would be a great choice as well. But totally different. That's why they're in the top 5, is that these are all completely different, and ones you will want and ones that you need for formulating in the beginning. Ambroxan. This this one is by KO. KAO is the company. You can get it from creatingperfume.com. One of those that I think some people have a little bit of a hard time smelling this. It's just kind of light. This to me is a worker formula, although, and you use it in trace amounts. It's 400 hours on the test strip. It is a base note, sorry. It's a base note, sorry. This diffuses from the bottom all the way to the top. So that's, I said worker. So when I say worker, think about that being, it's working to pull everything together to be cohesive. So anytime I say worker, that's kind of what I'm talking, that's more of what I'm talking about, that it can take your fragrance formula and pull it all together and make it cohesive. And that's what this does. It is a type of, it's ambery, a little bit woody, and that makes it sound like you're just going to be like, oh, I smell it. This is so ever slight. It's great. It's one of those weird materials, but it is a needed material. Like, you need this in your hands. It's awesome. It will come diluted to 40% because it's crystals. So it will come diluted at 40%. And that's just another one of those things where things get diluted at different rates. And to me, there's not a book out there that goes through every single material and tells you what it should be diluted at. There's nothing out there like that. That's why I create these videos, is to help you with that, because it's crazy frustrating. Because you just don't know. If you bought the crystals, you would have to practice and figure it out that it would be 40% and that kind of stuff. But anyway, and then you have to use heat, and how much heat do you use, and blah, all of that stuff. Anyway, this is a much needed. Again, I have a number 6. Whoa, this one is beautiful to me. Trice Amber. Trice Amber is 48 hours, and for Amber, that's kind of low, but that's 2 days on the test strip. That's crazy. And I do not have much of this at all. It's a little expensive for me. But, whoa, dude. This is amazing. I get a little bit of wood. So this is not like a pure amber like this, or a pure amber like this. This has some wood and has a little bit of sharpness with the amber. In my opinion, these are very soft ambers and rounding, where this has a little bit of sharpness in it, where you're going to have to use much less. But it will still, to me, give a little sharpness, not sharp, but a little bit of sharpness in your formula. It's not hardcore, because there are some other hardcore ambers. This is not as hardcore, but so beautiful. It is strong, woody amber, where in my opinion these are more true amber, more amber. This is definitely the true amber, and then these are your soft ambers, just beautiful, really nice. So again, Trice Amber, it is a base, 48 hours. It's really nice. It's just really strong, and you don't need to use much. Start out at a really low percent in your formulation. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to contact me about my accords, you are welcome to do so. I'll have a link below in the show notes for that. And yeah, I have an Etsy page and I have a Patreon page. You're welcome to check those out. And both of those are Mountain Aromatics. You just type that in there and mine will pop up. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.